I'll start drip feeding your tyres this afternoon to be well.
You need a massage or you okay?
Tonight for sure.
Actually, made very good brake technique already. Really good. It's quite nice. So we can actually not because you're not really in the limit, but you feel. I mean, 10 kilos.
It's unbelievable. I'm super surprised. The speed in the corner is unbelievable, and the neck already I feel really these guys are very tough here because in the corner is so strong in the neck, and you just want the car still wants to go fast, so even faster. So really impressed. Honestly, I'm still with my mind completely blown away because the feelings you get in the track is unreal, and every time new things and learning every time. So amazing. To being in a bike is like going in a wild horse, and to being in the car is just going like super fast and really something that sticks to the ground. It's a dream come true completely, and a lifetime experience.